Okay, example 12, it said that thorium-234 has a half-life of 24 days. The initial activities of these isotopes is 10 microcurie. Calculate the activity after 72 days and the time taken for the activity to fall to 2.5 microcurie. Okay, so kita keluarkan dahulu info. So we know that we have thorium, which is TH234, has a half-life of 24 days. So the T half is 24 days. Okay, the initial activity. So it's the initial activity which is A naught equals to 10 microcurie. Okay, calculate the activity A sama dengan berapa untuk soalan A after the time is 72 days. Okay, so we know there are two formula that we can use. The first one ialah A equals to A naught E negative lambda T dan N equals to N naught E negative lambda T. So we need to use the first one. Okay, so A for A equals to A naught E negative lambda T. Okay, so dia minta A sama dengan berapa? So A naught is given 10 microcurie exponential lambda, but we don't have lambda here, so we can find lambda by using T half equals to ln 2 over lambda. So lambda is equals to ln 2 over T half, which is equals to ln 2 over 24. Okay, so negative ln 2 over 24. Okay, dan kita punya time is 72. Okay, kenapa time tak tukarkan kepada second? Sebab ini days dan ini juga days. So dekat sini nanti dia akan cancel the unit. Dekat sini dia akan cancel the unit. Okay, so now how you want to calculate? So kita selesaikan bahagian atas dahulu. This part first. So you akan dapat ln 2 divide by 24 times 72. So you akan dapat 10 exponent negative 6 E negative 2.07944. Okay, so exponentkan answer, negative answer, you akan dapat 10 exponent negative 6 times 0.125. So selesaikan, you sepatutnya akan dapat 1.25 exponent negative 6 curie. So activity boleh jadi unit curie ataupun becquerel ataupun decay per second kan. But soalan ni tak mention nak unit apa. So you terus take dekat unit curie sahaja. Okay, should be no problem. This is for A. Okay, so ini untuk A. Now we go to B. Okay, so B dia tanya the time taken for the activity to falls to 2.5 day. So tanya time taken sama dengan berapa bila activity sama dengan 2.5 microcurie. Okay, so we still need to use the same formula. A sama dengan A naught E negative lambda T. Okay, so ditanya T berapa, so substitute A yang dia bagi 2.5 eksponen negatif 6 sama dengan, okay, kecilkan sikit, okay, A naught masih sama, which is 10 eksponen negatif 6 E negatif, lambda kita masih sama, ln 2 over 24, and time kita nak cari. Okay, so apa yang kita kena buat? You kena pindahkan dahulu this value. Ni bahagi kat bawah kan. So you akan dapat 2.5 divide by 10, so you akan dapat 0.25. So you need to double check sebab selalu ada salah kan. ln 2 over 24 times T. So, apa kita kena buat? Yes, we have to ln both side. So, you akan dapat ln 0.25 negative 1.3863 equals to negative ln 2 over 24 times T. Okay, so what should we do? The negative we cancel each other. Okay, so 1.38 darab 24 bahagi dengan ln 2, so you akan dapat T which is sama dengan 48 days. So itu cara untuk settlekan example 12. Thank you.